Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is in continuation to the previous video. In the previous video, we have started with the topic online marketing. So, what are the advantages of online marketing? This we are going to cover today. So, the first is brand awareness. It helps in measuring impact, acquiring valuable customers, use of analytics. It's a better medium and customer analysis. Let's study each point one by one. We all know that the aim of the purpose of the marketing is to create the brand awareness. So online marketing, it also performs the same purpose and helps in creating the brand awareness. It helps in creating the awareness about the existence of a particular brand in the market. Second is it helps in measuring impact. So what is the meaning of this point? See, uh, किस particular there are so many channels through which online marketing is done, right? तो किस particular channel का कितना impact है ये भी हम online marketing के through easily पता कर सकते हैं. Third is it helps in acquiring valuable customers. So कितने visitors बार बार frequently आपके पेज पे आ रहे हैं, कितने potential से actual customers में convert हो रहे हैं. So this data can easily be known through the online analysis of online marketing, and this analysis ultimately leads to acquiring the valuable customers. Then use of analytics से आपको ये पता लग जाता है कि कौन से चैनल सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा चैनल कौन से कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव हैं कस्टमर्स को एक्वायर करने के लिए, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज बेटर मीडियम. Why it is called as a better medium? Because through data we can get quick view of which channels are effective at acquiring the lifetime value for customers. See, बहुत सारे channels हैं, mediums हैं, email marketing है, online advertising होती है, mobile marketing भी है. So it helps when the marketing is done through these various options, then it becomes easy through the analytics to find which particular thing helps the customer in making the repetitive purchase. Then customer analysis. So there are certain groups of customers which are repetitively coming to you. They are very loyal to customer. उनका engagement ratio बहुत strong है. तो ऐसे customers के बारे में भी हमें online marketing tools से we are able to analyze which customers are visiting your site again and again. Then these are certain online marketing tools. See, this is the next topic, online marketing tools. इसमें आप पेपर में 1 मार्कर आपका एमसीक्यू आया हुआ है. Let's first study and then I will tell you. First is email marketing, then social media marketing. इसमें सिर्फ आपकी CBSE स्किल एजुकेशन जो बुक है CBSE ने प्रिस्क्राइब की है, only names are mentioned, nothing is given in detail. तो आप इसको जैसे SEO है, what is the full form, ये 1 मार्कर में आ सकता है. सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, ये जो एक्रोनिम्स दिए हुए हैं इसको प्लीज इसकी फुल फॉर्म आपको पता होनी चाहिए. डिस्प्ले एडवर्टाइजिंग, कंटेंट मार्केटिंग, A/B टेस्टिंग एंड वेबसाइट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, इवेंट्स, वेबिनार, SEM, इसकी भी फुल फॉर्म पता होनी चाहिए, दैट इज सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग. देन वीडियो मार्केटिंग, मार्केटिंग एनालिटिक, देन CMS, that is content management system, CRM, customer relationship management, this is very important nowadays. आपने देखा होगा बैंक वाले आपको हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी वैलेंटाइन डे, why they are sending such messages to you? The reason is they want to maintain good relationship with the customer. So these are the some of the online marketing tools which you have to do. Then comes your disadvantages of online marketing. It is categorized under 3 heads: competitive, catching attention, impersonal. See, सबसे ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग का जो ड्रॉबैक है, देयर इज नो पर्सनल टच, देयर इज नो फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन between the buyer and the seller. So for some people, this impersonal touch can be a big hindrance. Then it is very competitive, very competitive. Why it is very competitive? Because a lot of competition, many people they are shifting from the offline to online also. So जब इतना competition में है, then to survive in such cutthroat competition, it becomes a major challenge. Then catching attention, customers की attention को हुक रखना, कैच करके रखना, इट बिकम्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग बिकॉज व्हाट कस्टमर बेसिकली डू, दे कीप ऑन स्विचिंग फ्रॉम वन चैनल टू अनदर विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड. सो आपकी वेबसाइट इतनी अट्रैक्टिव होनी चाहिए, आपके ऑफर्स इतने ल्यूक्रेटिव होने चाहिए कि कस्टमर रिमेन्स हुक टू योर channel. So catching attention also becomes a hindrance. Then next topic, this we are going social media marketing, we will cover in the next video. Thank you.